Insert the molding by pressing it downward. Don't slide the molding. It's easier to insert if you press the edge of the molding. Flip the crossbar and insert the bottom slider. Insert the slider under the crossbar with the protruding part facing outward. Insert the pad into the foot. The pad varies depending on vehicles. The front pad has a sticker indicating that it is a front pad. Separate the cover from the foot. Insert the pad into the foot. Make sure to insert the pad thoroughly into the bottom of the foot. Flip the crossbar and insert the foot. Wipe the mounting area with a soft cloth. Place the front crossbar on the front door frame. Set the distance from the top of the front window to the foot equally on the driver and the passenger side. Don't place the crossbar too near front where door frame is curved. Position the pad according to the shape of the door frame. Position the foot about 3 mm inward. Adjust the length of the crossbar edges equally for the driver and the passenger side. Tighten the top bolt firmly. If the front and the rear kits are different, a sticker will be on front kits. Insert the kit into the kit cover. Insert the kit washer with the arrow pointing upward. Tighten the kit bolts by hand just slightly. Repeat for the other side. Tighten the kit bolts for the driver and the passenger side alternately while pushing the kit towards the vehicle. When the pad touches the door frame, tighten the other side. Tighten the kit bolts for the driver and the passenger side alternately while pushing the kit towards the vehicle. Insert the cover, and turn the key clockwise to lock. Insert the molding at the end of the crossbar, and cut the remaining molding. Pull the bottom slider towards the foot. Insert the cap and turn the handle clockwise. Repeat for the other side. Place the rear crossbar on the rear door frame. Set the distance between the front and the rear crossbar equally for the driver and the passenger side. There are various types of pads, but there are two major categories. If the bottom shape of the pad is flat or curved, place it on the door frame. If the bottom shape of the pad has step, place the pad both on the door frame and the roof. This is an example for each pad. Tighten the top bolt firmly. Insert the kit into the kit cover. Insert the kit washer with the arrow pointing upward. Tighten the kit bolts by hand just slightly. Tighten the kit bolts for the driver and the passenger side alternately while pushing the kit towards the vehicle. Insert the cover, and turn the key clockwise to lock. Insert the molding at the end of the crossbar, and cut the remaining molding. Pull the bottom slider towards the foot. Insert the cap and turn the handle clockwise. Repeat for the other side. Check the crossbar is securely installed by pulling and pushing it.